Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript is golf code. In the game of golf, each hole has a par, meaning the average number of strokes a golfer is expected to make in order to sink the ball in the hole to complete the play. Depending on how far above or below par your strokes are, there are different nicknames. Your function will be passed par and a strokes argument. Return the correct strings. According to this table, which lists the strokes in order of priority, top means highest to the bottom, which is lowest. So, strokes 1 hole in 1 less than equal to par minus 2 eagle par minus 1 birdie par 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 plus 1 bogey par plus 2 double bogey and par plus 3 go home. Par and strokes will always be numeric and positive. We have added an array of all the names for your convenience. So, we have the name in the form of array, and there is a function of golf score, par and strokes. So, let's see. So, what we have to do? We have to if strokes equal to 1, then in that condition return names 0. Else if strokes less than equal to par minus 2, then return name 1, that is eagle. Else if strokes equal to par minus 1, then in that case return names 2. Again else if strokes equal to par, then return names 3. Else if strokes equal to par plus 1, then in the braces return names 4. Likewise, else if strokes triple equal to par plus 2, then return names 5 and else return names 6 and it should work as intended, and we should remove the change me share, and we can check the statement by console.log golf score like this birdie in this case. So let's run the test and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.